Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a detailed guide on how to sign up for BingX, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Plus, we'll show you how to maximize your benefits using the referral code CHUCHU. Let's get started. BingX is a comprehensive platform offering a range of trading options, from spot trading to futures. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, BingX has features to suit everyone. But first, let's talk about how to get started. Creating an account on BingX is simple. Head over to their website and click on Sign Up. You can register using your email, phone number, or Google account. For this tutorial, we'll use email. 1. Enter your email address and set a strong password. 2. Look for a field labeled Referral Code and enter CHUCHU to unlock special benefits. 3. Click Sign Up and you'll receive a verification email. 4. Open the email and click the verification link to verify your account. To enhance security and unlock more features, complete the verification process by providing a photo ID and a selfie. This will increase your withdrawal limits and allow you to participate in all trading options. By using the referral code CHUCHU during registration, you can unlock exclusive bonuses. Here's how. Enter the referral code CHUCHU during the sign-up process. Enjoy benefits like reduced trading fees and special sign-up bonuses. BingX offers a variety of bonuses depending on your deposit and trading activity. Here's a quick overview. Sign-up bonus. Get up to $30 USDT just for signing up. Deposit bonus. Deposit a certain amount to receive bonuses up to 5,000 USDT. Trading bonus. Complete trading tasks to earn additional rewards. For example, depositing 100 USDT can earn you a 10 USDT trial fund, while higher deposits and trading volumes can yield even bigger rewards. BingX provides a variety of trading options. Spot trading, buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices. Margin trading, borrow funds to trade, amplifying your gains or losses with leverage up to 10x. Futures trading. Speculate on the future price of cryptocurrencies with leverage up to 100x. The platform is user-friendly with a clean and intuitive interface. They also offer a mobile app for both iOS and Android, allowing you to manage your trades on the go. The app includes all the features of the desktop version, so you can trade anytime, anywhere. BingX boasts an extensive list of supported cryptocurrencies, with over 700 different coins available for trading. This includes major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, as well as a wide array of altcoins. With numerous trading pairs, you'll have plenty of options to diversify your portfolio. Now, let's talk about fees. BingX offers competitive trading fees, starting at 0.1% per transaction. If you hold BingX's native token, you can get significant discounts. Additionally, using the referral code CHUCHU can help you unlock special bonuses and reduce trading costs. Depositing and withdrawing funds on BingX is straightforward. You can deposit cryptocurrencies directly into your BingX account. For fiat deposits, BingX supports several payment methods, including credit, debit cards, and bank transfers through third-party providers like Banxa, Simplex, and MoonPay. Withdrawal fees are competitive and vary depending on the cryptocurrency. Security is a top priority at BingX. The platform uses bank-level multi-signature cold storage to protect user funds, along with two-factor authentication or 2FA and IP monitoring to safeguard your account. Additionally, BingX offers several user-side security settings, such as anti-phishing, login safety phrases, and fund passwords. These features help ensure that your funds and personal information are secure. BingX provides robust customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and a detailed help center. They aim to respond to inquiries promptly, ensuring that traders can get the help they need when they need it. To sum it up, here are some pros and cons of using BingX. Pros: extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees with additional discounts for token holders, advanced trading features like margin and futures trading, strong security measures. Cons: feature-heavy layout may be overwhelming for beginners. Some users report long wait times for customer support. BingX offers a robust trading platform suitable for both beginners and seasoned traders. With a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive fees, and strong security measures, it's definitely worth considering. Don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU when you sign up to unlock special benefits. So what are you waiting for? Sign up on BingX today using the referral code CHUCHU and start your crypto trading journey with a boost. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.